Just as the of mechanical keyboards is surging among tech enthusiasts due to their performance and customization, outdoor griddles are gaining serious attention from backyard chefs and grill masters. Whether you're flipping pancakes, searing burgers, or cooking hibachi-style meals, a great griddle offers versatility, heat control, and outdoor convenience. This guide evaluates cooking surface, build quality, portability, material, and heat distribution to help you choose the best outdoor griddle for your next cookout. List: Blackstone Flattop Gas Grill Griddle 2-burner propane with rear grease management. The Blackstone 2-burner flat-top griddle is a top pick for serious outdoor chefs. With 470 square inches of cooking space and a reliable propane-powered ignition, it's perfect for family meals or backyard parties. Its rear grease management system makes cleanup effortless, even after heavy cooking sessions. The dual burners allow for independent heat control, letting you sear on one side while warming food on the other. List: Onlyfire Universal Cast Iron Cooking Griddle Pre-Seasoned Flat Top Plate. For those looking for a cast iron upgrade to their current grill setup, the Onlyfire Universal Cast Iron Griddle is an excellent option. This pre-seasoned flat-top cooking plate fits most standard gas grills, offering even heat distribution and high heat retention for perfect searing. The non-stick coating helps prevent food from sticking, and the rugged build is made to last for years with proper care. List: Quezinart Indoor-Outdoor Electric Griddle Portable 2-in-1 Barbecue. The Quezinart Indoor-Outdoor Electric Griddle is perfect for those who want versatility and portability in one compact design. With a non-stick, flat-top cooking surface and adjustable heat control, this electric griddle performs just as well indoors as it does outdoors. The 2-in-1 feature makes it a favorite for apartment dwellers, campers, or tailgaters without access to gas grills. List: Uther 17-inch by 13-inch Nanoeramic Non-Stick Griddle, universal for gas and charcoal grills. The Uther 17-inch by 13-inch Nanoeramic Griddle stands out with its scratch-resistant non-stick nanoceramic coating, which is ideal for users who cook with tap water or acidic ingredients. It's compatible with both gas and charcoal grills, making it versatile for any backyard setup. List: 5. Uther 23/16/Cast Iron Griddle, heavy duty for grill and stovetop. The Uther 23/16/Cast Iron Griddle offers a larger cooking surface for serious outdoor cooking. Made from durable pre-seasoned cast iron, this griddle is built to last a lifetime. It's compatible with gas grills, stovetops, and even campfires, providing excellent heat retention and distribution. The raised sides keep food from sliding off, while the non-stick seasoning makes for easier flipping and cleaning.